All right, so this time we're asked to find the soil group symbol and name for a soil that has 100% passing the number 4 sieve, 77% passing the 200 sieve, liquid limit of 63%, and a plasticity index of 25%. So the first thing we're going to do again is break up our soil into gravel, sand, and fine. So for gravel, we look how much got stuck on top of the number 4 sieve. Well, if 100% passed through the number 4 sieve, that means 0% failed to. Therefore, we have 0% gravel. For fines, we look at what percent got through the number 200 sieve. Well, 77% passed the number 200 sieve, therefore 77% fines. And for sand, it's the remainder, so 100% minus 77% minus 0% gives us 23% sand. All right, so next thing we're going to look at is we're going to solve for our plastic limit. So plasticity index is equal to liquid limit minus plastic limit. That's 25% equals 63% minus the plastic limit. Therefore, the plastic limit is 38%. So the next thing we do is we go to our flow chart and we can look at our first question. Is there more fines or more gravel and sand? Well, 77% fines, 23% gravel and sand. Therefore, it's more fine. Question 2 then says, is the liquid limit greater than or less than 50? Ours is 63. Therefore, the liquid limit is indeed greater than 50. Next step asks us, do we have an inorganic or an organic soil? Problem statement told us that this was an inorganic soil. And then at that point, that tells us that we have either a CH soil or an MH soil. Right, so next thing we do, we look at table 3.4. And that tells us that a CH soil has an Atterberg limit above the A line, and an MH soil has an Atterberg limit below the A line. All right, so if we look at our A-line chart, and then we go ahead and plot our point. We have 63% as our liquid limit, and we have 25% as our plasticity index. Plot that point on the graph, and we see that that point is below the A-line. So we are Atterberg limit below the A-line. That meets the only condition for it to be MH, which then means we have an MH soil, which if we look at the group name, it says that is a silt of high plasticity or an elastic silt. And now we have successfully classified our soil with both group symbol and group name.